Thanks for the latest there, Bob. 6:31 right now. So you've probably heard the CDC telling fully vaccinated Americans it's okay to ditch your mask. But not so fast in California. California's mask mandate remains in effect until at least June 15th. Today in the base, Kris Sanchez joins us live now with some of the pressure that some groups are putting on the state to try to make sure we keep these strict guidelines. Kris?
Oh, hi there, Laura. There is one big group trying to put pressure on the state to keep the California mask mandate in place. That's the California Nurses Association, the president of which says that the CDC lifting those mask guidelines is just premature. Let's talk about where we stand right now, because I know that this has been confusing over the last few days. In the last week, the CDC advised that unvaccinated and partially vaccinated people should continue to wear their masks. However, vaccinated people only need to mask in crowded indoor settings like public transportation, hospitals, shelters, and such. The CDC said that students should keep wearing their masks through the end of the school year. And so far, California's mask mandate has remained until at least June 15th, as you mentioned, requiring masks if we are indoors anywhere but at home. Now, the CDC director says that the new guidance is based on the science, but the head of the California Nurses Association says that it's just too soon and that this presents a risk to safety for nurses and patients, and she's asking California health leaders to keep that mandate in place.
The pandemic is not over. We still have a lot of infected patients. Cases are still high. We have patients dying, and we still have nurses dying as well.
All right, let's talk a little more about the CDC's school guidance. To be clear, the agency said that school children in all grades should continue wearing their masks and social distancing through the end of this school year. Now, while kids 12 and up are eligible for vaccines, there just isn't enough time for them to be fully vaccinated before the school year ends in just a few weeks. And on Friday, we got a letter from our local school district saying that they are planning for a full in-person reopening in the fall, but they too are also waiting for some of that guidelines, not on just on masks, but otherwise as well from the state. Laura?